Transportation. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about transportation, useful phrases you can use when you travel by bus, train, taxi, or airplane. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Lisa's travel day. It's early morning. Lisa is traveling from her city to another country for vacation. She goes to the bus station and says, "I need a bus ticket." The man at the counter smiles and says, "Where are you going?" Lisa answers, "To the train station." He gives her a ticket and she says, "Thank you." When she arrives, she looks around and asks, "Where is the train station platform?" A guard points and says, "Platform number 3. Lisa checks her phone and says, "Can I buy a ticket here?" The guard replies, "Yes, at the ticket machine." A few minutes later, Lisa hears an announcement. The train is delayed. She sighs and says, "Oh no, I'll be late for my flight." After 30 minutes, the train finally arrives. She gets on quickly. When she reaches the airport, she runs to the check-in counter. At the gate, an officer says, "The boarding gate is closed." Lisa looks worried. "Oh no, how long is the flight to Tokyo?" The officer says, 12 hours. "Don't worry, we'll move you to the next flight." Lisa smiles and says, "Thank you so much." She sits down and relaxes. Travel can be stressful, but she's happy to practice her English everywhere she goes. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, Lisa's travel day. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's early morning. Who is traveling? Lisa, where is she going? To another country for vacation. What time is it? Early morning. Lisa goes to the bus station. Where does she go? To the bus station. What does she say? I need a bus ticket. Who gives her the ticket? The man at the counter. She wants to go to the train station. Where is she going next? To the train station. Does she go by car or by bus? By bus. What does she say when she gets the ticket? Thank you. At the train station, she asks, "Which platform is it?" What does she ask? Which platform is it? Who answers her? The guard. What number is the platform? Number 3. Lisa asks, "Can I buy a ticket here?" Where does she want to buy it? At the station. What does the guard say? Yes, at the ticket machine. Does Lisa buy it online? No, at the machine. Then Lisa hears an announcement. What does the announcement say? The train is delayed. How does Lisa feel? Worried. Why? Because she might miss her flight. At the airport, the officer says the boarding gate is closed. What is closed? The boarding gate. Who says that? The officer. Does Lisa miss her flight? Yes. Lisa asks, "How long is the flight to Tokyo?" What does she ask about? The flight time. How long is it? 12 hours. Does she get another flight? Yes. How does Lisa feel at the end? Relaxed and happy. Why? Because she can practice English while traveling. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about transportation. Today, you practiced travel phrases like, "I need a bus ticket." "Where is the train station?" "I'd like a taxi. The train is delayed." And, "How long is the flight?" Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.